In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the third brake light bulb on your 2019 to 2020 Hyundai Elantra. Let's go ahead and do it so that the next time you brake, it looks like this. That looks good, right? Let's get started. Open the driver's side door, pop the trunk using the trunk release lever there. Now that's the trunk, it's open. That's the third brake light over there, and the way to access it is from right underneath it, right there. That's the light, and that's the access port right there. Now, first off, you gotta get this electrical connector out of the way. So, squeeze it over there with your thumb and get the connector out. Squeeze it, out it comes. Tuck it over there in the corner so it doesn't get in the way. Now, that's the bulb holder. Grab it, twist it left, and out it comes. In order to get the bulb out, all you have to do is press down on the bulb. Use a towel or something, because that way you don't touch the bulb with your bare hands. Push the bulb down, twist it left, and out it comes. The replacement bulb number is 7440 or T20. 7440 or T20. Check out the description for the bulb cross-reference guide. So if you cannot find the exact bulb number, you can find an alternative one. Get the replacement bulb, put the bulb in there. Align the slots in the bulb holder with the pins on the bulb. Push it down, twist it right, let it go. That's it. Now let's put the bulb holder in. Right there, make sure it's sitting flush like that. See, now that's sitting flush. That's good. Twist it right, like 1/8 of a turn, and you're done. Now let's not forget to put the electrical connector back on. It only goes in one way. Push it in, click it, and that's pretty much it. Let's check out the light. That looks good, right?